What do you think about the handstand push-ups?
Can you be more definitive in that question? What do you mean? What do I think about them?
How do you think about the Dave Castro incorporating them, and how do you think they will be judged?
I think from what they're trying to accomplish this year, finding the fittest in the world, it's the right move. I think it's an interesting standard as long as all affiliates hold themselves to the actual rules of what they announced and put out there. That everyone should be put in the same standard, which is really cool. I think it kind of knocks out those who have short levers. You know, handstand push-ups are typically for those who are shorter individuals, take a little wider grip, and they can get themselves up a little bit quicker. That's going to kind of knock that out a little bit, so it evens the playing field quite a bit, which I enjoy. But all in all, I think the skill level, it's a good movement for people, just like a muscle up. You know, if you want to get to that competitive level, you have to have those movements and have those skills. So I'm excited for it. It'll be a good separator per se.
What quick tips do you have for anyone attacking this workout?
This workout, I would say you want to really focus on controlled movement for the handstand push-up. All too often people get too spastic with their handstand push-ups. You kick up, right back down, kick up, right back down. Now you kick up, control that movement, make sure your heels are over that line, get a good rep, and then bring yourself back down. Otherwise, you don't want to waste reps here. You don't want to get no reps. You want every rep to count on this workout. So being controlled, under control is crucial.
You heard it here first.
Okay.